हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ अर्थ रिदम के फेस स्क्रब के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ एंड आई हैव टू वेरिएंट्स एंड दिस इज अ न्यू लॉन्च फ्रॉम अर्थ रिदम, सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू बी शेयरिंग माय रिव्यू विथ यू guys. So the first variant is oatmeal and ceramides and this comes in this blue packaging, and the second one is turmeric and prickly pear. So in today's video, I will be talking about both of these variants with you guys. I will talk about the packaging, I will take you through the formulation, how to apply, and how my skin feels after using these. So I will share a full-blown review for both of these products with you guys today. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So before I jump into the review of these, I just want to mention that there are two kind of exfoliants that are available. One is a physical exfoliant and second one is chemical exfoliant. So both of these face scrubs, they fall under the physical exfoliation category. So I will first talk about this variant which has oatmeals and ceramides in this. Now let's talk about the packaging first. It comes in this tube packaging where the brand detail is mentioned right here, followed by face scrub and the main ingredients, that is oatmeals and ceramide. Now this is a 100-gram product and it is priced for 249 rupees. You can definitely go and check their website to see if there are any ongoing discounts. I'm going to leave the product links in the description box for you to check out. Once you turn the tube, this is where all the details are mentioned. This one is a plastic neutral product. They have given the steps on how to use it, followed by list of ingredients, followed by caution and the manufacturing details. I find this packaging to be very wholesome, very detailed and very fuss-free because it comes with a screw cap and you can just open the screw cap and then you can use the nozzle to dispense the product. Now let's talk about the ingredients for this one. So the main ingredient listed here is oatmeal. Oatmeal is considered like a superfood for the skin because it gently sloughs away the dullness and brings in a lot of nourishment in the skin. It also boosts collagen, which ultimately helps you to get a youthful glow in your skin. The second one listed here is ceramides. Now ceramides helps in maintaining the moisture barrier of our skin. It boosts the hydration capability of our skin. Now coming to walnut shell powder, that is the natural exfoliator, physical exfoliator that is used in these scrubs. It helps in getting rid of that gunk, grime, excess oil buildup that happens on the skin. It gets rid of dead skin cells, and ultimately this is the main ingredient that makes your skin well exfoliated and kind of like polishes the skin. Then we have aloe vera juice that helps us bringing in all the hydration and nourishing the skin from within. It helps in making it soft and also helps in soothing the skin. So coming to the texture, it's a very kind of like a rich and nourishing creamy texture, which is very good for a dry and a normal skin. The exfoliating beads in this, which is the walnut shell powder, is very well rounded, so it's not at all abrasive on the skin. It is very mild and provides a gentle exfoliation without damaging the skin barrier. So how I like to use this product is I take a pea-size amount of this product, I damp my face and then I apply it in circular motions using my fingertips. Now doing so helps in getting rid of the gunk, the grime, the dead skin cells, and along with this it also helps in better blood circulation. My skin feels more nourished and soft and smooth, and I see the flakiness has reduced. So overall I felt that this was working really well on my skin and I absolutely enjoyed using this one. Now let's talk about the second variant. This one is the one that has turmeric and prickly pear. The packaging is similar to the first one. It comes in the yellow tube and again the details are mentioned right in front. This is also priced for 249 rupees and you get 100 grams of product. On turning back the tube, this is where the other details are mentioned. Again the same thing, that this is plastic neutral product. How to use it, list of ingredients followed by caution and manufacturing details. Now let's talk about the main ingredients and the texture of this product. As you can see, this comes in a gel based form and this has these exfoliating beads of walnut shell powder. Now, the main ingredient in this is listed as turmeric. Turmeric is known to reduce melanin production and heal scars to improve the skin texture. It also gets rid of acne to give you a flawless skin. Prickly pear is a rich source of vitamin K. It is a wonder ingredient to improve the skin elasticity and prevent acne. Walnut shell powder, like I already mentioned, is a natural exfoliator that prevents the excess oil buildup. It also helps in removing the impurity and dry flaky skin. It also removes the dead skin cells. Aloe vera juice, like I mentioned earlier, helps in soothing the skin. It helps in nourishing and hydrating the skin from within. The main difference comes in the texture and the ingredients of this product. Since this is a gel-based formula, this is more appropriate for normal to oily skin. So this scrub I usually use on days when I'm suffering from acne breakout. The ingredients in these are perfect for acne-prone skin. So this is what I use it, and again, it works wonderfully on my skin. It helps in soothing the skin, it helps in unclogging the pores, and overall gives it a very kind of like a clean feel on the skin. So coming to the benefits of using these scrubs, it basically helps in making your skin soft and supple, removing the texture, getting rid of texture, getting rid of acne, getting rid of that gunk, grime, the product buildup on your skin, and it helps in unclogging the pore, which ultimately results in a beautiful glowing skin. Now, this is how I have been using these products, and these have given me beautiful results. So both of these products have brought in a lot of change in my skin texture, and even you guys seem to notice it in my recent videos. So thank you for that. And these products have been working wonders on my skin. I can see, even the makeup application now is better because the texture is gotten rid of. So overall, I feel that my skin is more soft, more supple, more clean. I'm getting less acne breakouts. And overall, I just feel that my skin is becoming healthier with these products. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that the review was helpful, and if it was, do hit the like button. I will leave all the product details in the description box below for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, hit the bell notification, and follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.